Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial video, we'll show you how you can make sharing notes and catalogs a breeze by creating and managing contact lists in CataList. First, head over to bnccatalist.ca and log into your CataList account. Any CataList user, regardless of account or user type, can create and manage contact lists when logged in. Click your name or the gears icon to open your account settings. Then choose the Contact Lists option. To set up a new contact list, click the button Create New List. Give your new contact list a name. Be sure to choose a name that is memorable and descriptive. It should help you remember the types of people included in the list so that you'll know, based on the name, that you're sharing with the right group. Next, set the status of your contact list. By default, your new list will be active, which is to say that you can put it to use right away. If at any point you no longer wish to use the list, you can deactivate it by clearing the Active List checkbox. Account managers also have the option to share contact lists. Select the Shared List checkbox to do so. If in the future you want to make the contact list private, you can simply clear the checkbox. Now that the initial setup is complete, it's time to add some contacts. To add a colleague who is part of the same CataList account, click the Add Contact search box to enter your company name or the name of your coworker. Choose the name of the person you want to add, then click the Add Contact button. Depending on your account type, you may also be able to search for other CataList users in different accounts, as long as they've opted into the CataList directory. If your contact has not opted into the directory, you can still add them to your contact list by email, but make sure that you use the email address associated with their CataList account. If that person does not have a CataList account, they will need to sign up for one before they can access any content that you share. Once you've added all the contacts that you need, take a moment to revise your list. You can click the Remove button to delete a contact if you need to. When you're happy with your list, click the Save button. You can review all of your contact lists at any time. Basic information is available at a glance in the Contact List tab. To edit a list you've made, click the Edit button. This will allow you to update the name of the contact list, change its active or shared status, and add or remove contacts. If a contact list has been shared with you, you won't be able to edit it, but you can view the full list by clicking the View button. Now that you've set up your contact list, it's time to put it into action. Whether you want to share a note or a custom catalog, the Add Contact search box will allow you to search for and select the name of the contact list you want to use. For example, here's a note that we've created for a title, and we're ready to share it with our contact list. Start by searching for your contact list by name. The list name will display along with a counter indicating the number of contacts it contains. Select the desired list and click the Add button. Then, click the Share button to make the note viewable by your chosen contacts. The process is the same when you want to share a custom catalog. Use the search box, locate the name of the contact list, and click Add. Don't forget to click the Save button to make sure the selected contacts receive an emailed link to your catalog. Creating contact lists is an easy way to make sharing information more efficient in CataList. Try it yourself and see how you can seamlessly share notes and catalogs to your contacts. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.